Let's go!
Hey everybody, Coach Scott here, and I got an exciting announcement to make. LT360 has teamed up with Ancient Nutrition for ultimate gut health. That's right. Years ago, when I was trying to get healthy, when I went on the hunt for a great probiotic supplement, I'd been battling some uncomfortable bloating and stomach issues and excess gas, and everything that I seemed to eat just didn't sit well with me. And it was one of the things that was causing me to have pain and chronic pain every day was my GI, my digestion. And my coach actually advised me years ago to start taking a probiotic, some gut support. So I decided to pick up a probiotic supplement, and that's when everything went crazy for me. I mean, it went crazy. I went into the store. I drove to one of these big box popular supplement stores. You've all seen them before. I won't mention any names. And I went to the probiotic section, and when I looked at all the different brands and all these crazy claims of all the different types of probiotics, again, I began to be filled with frustration, anxiety, because I just didn't know exactly how to separate good from bad, or if I was just going to waste money again. And there were dozens of products to choose from. They were refrigerated, they were unrefrigerated. They all claimed that they would support digestive health, they would eliminate gas and bloating, which I was suffering from. They all claimed to feed healthy gut bacteria, and basically they all claimed to change your life. If you just take this product, you're going to change your life. And as I begin to read the labels, that's one of the things I've been trained to do, is read the labels. I thought, well, I can figure this out by just what's on the label. But when I read the labels, I became even more confused. The different types of strains and the different recommended dosages and the different bacterial species, the list just goes on and on and on. And it was professional confusing. And not a single bottle of probiotics was the same. And so when I left there, I was discouraged. I felt helpless. I didn't know which one would help me. I didn't know which one I would just be wasting money on, some kind of mystery supplement. And so when I left the store, I came to the conclusion that probiotics are the most confusing product in the market. But this is what led me to my friend Dr. Jordan Rubin and his partner Dr. Axe and Ancient Nutrition and the Multi-Collagen Protein Gut Restorer. That's right, it's unbelievable. It's the award-winning multi-collagen. It's got all the collagen spectrum in it. It's got from different sources. It's all organic. And unlike what you're gonna find on the internet and on store shelves, the Multi-Collagen Gut Restorer is not a mystery probiotic supplement. I'm going to talk to you about the highlights. Just think about the highlights. It's got an incredible light lemon ginger flavor, and I add it with my Heal and Recovery, by the way. It's got 9 grams of protein, 3 carbs, 0 fat. It features collagens types 1, type 2, type 3, type 5, and type 10 from sustainable sources. But here's the best news of all. It has 1 billion CFU of soil-based organisms probiotics. That's right, 1 billion CFU of soil-based organism probiotics. And it promotes a healthy gut microflora. It helps reduce bloating and digestion and so much more. It supports healthy skin, hair, nails. And again, I want to just take the mystery out of this puzzle. So to solve this mystery of probiotics and to add the multi-collagen, the award-winning multi-collagen protein that's proven, that's effective, we have now got the multi-collagen protein on our website, as well as the probiotic that's infused in there, as well as our offices. So if you want to try some, pick some up. If you've been wondering about multi-collagen protein or a probiotic to keep your gut healthy, then look no further, because we have it at our offices and we also have it online. So either way, at the lowest price in the market, by the way, the lowest price in the market. So thanks to my friend Dr. Rubin and his partner Dr. Axe for allowing us to carry this product for them and actually be a partner with them. Can't wait for you guys to try this amazing product. So take care. We'll see you soon on the next video.